welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to actually be showing you guys my Empties like bottles. These are products that I love and that I finish so fast because I just use them all the time. So I do have a couple of variety, like I have makeup stuff, I have hair stuff, and I have skincare stuff. So before we get started, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start with some of the MAC stuff that I have, and I just have it on the MAC bag because if you all didn't know, MAC has a return empty bottle program that for every 6 empty containers that you take, you get a free lipstick. So that's why I keep them all here. So I believe I already have 6 of their products. So I'm going to start with one of my favorite products, and it's the MAC Fix Plus. As you all can see, this has nothing on it anymore. It's like nothing comes out. I love this MAC Fix Plus to set my whole entire face, or if I want to wet my brush and apply eyeshadow to my lid, this is what I use it for, and I believe this is around $22. I do have another one and it's already like through here, but yeah, I really like this spray. Either I use this or I use the Mario Badescu sprays, but I'll just like switch them back and forth. So the first thing that I finished, and actually this is kind of like my 3rd bottle that I finished. So yeah, the first thing is this MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. So then another thing from MAC is their MAC Strobe Cream lotion primer. I think it's a primer, and as you all can see, it is so dirty right now, and it's like nothing comes out, like there's nothing on it. I actually do have another new one somewhere in the back over there in my vanity, but it's like the ones that come in shades. So I believe this was their first strobe cream that they came up with, and I really like to put this as a primer because it gives it kind of like illuminating finish to it, kind of like the Becca one, which I'm going to mention in a little bit. It's almost the same thing, and I really like it. It gives your skin a glow. You can even apply it all over your body to give like a little shimmer, like here on the shoulders, on the neck. You know, you can do a lot with this thing. Sometimes I even mix it with my foundation. Like I said, I did repurchase this one and it's somewhere in my vanity. So this is the other thing that I finished. So another MAC thing, like I said, I think I have 6 of the MAC stuff. Another thing is their mascara, and this is called Mineralized Multi-Effect Lash Charge in the shade Charge Black. And I love this mascara when they came out with it, especially like the wand. I liked it because I felt like it really like lifted my eyelashes, and you can really go in there because the wand is so thin. I don't think I'm going to be repurchasing this because I already have a lot of mascaras and I need to finish those because mascaras do go bad. So I think this one still has a little bit, but I won't be using it anymore. It's just like you have to like really scrape through there so you can get some product. So yeah, this is the other thing. So another thing from MAC is their Pro Longwear Waterproof Brow Set. It's like a brow gel. It's a brow gel, but it's tinted. I went through this so fast because I would always use this a lot, and this is in the shade Quiet Brunette. I do think I'm going to be repurchasing this one just because I like the tint it gives to your eyebrows. I don't even think it doesn't have any more, but I like the way it tints your eyebrows. So yeah, this is another thing that I finished. I think I will be repurchasing this one. Another thing from MAC, it's very popular from them. It's their Pro Longwear Concealer, and I went through this so quick. This used to be my favorite concealer until Tarte Shade Tape came out, but I still use it sometimes like to prime my eyelids, or if I have like any breakouts, I'll just cover them with this because it is a full coverage concealer, and I'm in the shade NC20. So yeah, this is the other thing. So the last thing from MAC that I have is actually their eyeliner, and this is a black track gel liner. I still have a little bit of this one left, but as you guys can see, it went dry. Like, that's the only thing I hate about eyeliners, like their gel liners, is that they dry so fast. I know they sell like Inglot Duraline or something to put on, and it'll just like make your eyeliner come back to life, but I don't have it and I just haven't checked it, so I can't use this anymore because it's completely dry. And I do have a couple of other brands, so I'm gonna wait to finish those and then maybe I'll repurchase this one because I really liked it. It's so black and it applies so smoothly. So yeah, this is the last thing from MAC. Okay, and next I have this Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I don't know if you guys can see right here, but I'm completely out of it. I pumped the last couple of pumps when I did this makeup. So this is a Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and it's an oil-free foundation, and it's in the shade Warm Beige. I would mix this shade with the light beige just so I can get my perfect shade. And I did mention once I would finish this one, I would go and purchase the shade in between the two that I use. So I have to go buy that. So if you all know, this is my favorite foundation of all time, like high-end foundation. I had this for I think less than a year, and I went through the whole bottle, and that's because I mixed both of them together. So yeah, this is the other thing that I have on my Empties. Also, I have this Anastasia Brow Definer Gel. I have this Anastasia Brow Definer pencil. If you all know, this is what I use to fill in my eyebrows. If you guys want to see an eyebrow tutorial of how I do my eyebrows, I will leave that in the description box below. I do have a video on that, so go ahead and check it out if you want to see how I do my eyebrows. So this is the one that has like a rectangular pencil. I can't really show you because I don't have any more of this. As you can see, it's not even like coming out. So I really recommend this brow pencil. It's so easy to fill in your eyebrows, and I just love it. I did purchase a couple more just because I do tend to run out through these so quick. So yeah, this is the other thing. Okay, and then the last thing for makeup, it's the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. I love this primer. If you guys saw my Ulta haul of the 21 Days of Beauty, I did purchase another one. So I think I still have a little bit, but I can't really get it out. I don't know, maybe if I open it. I don't know if you can really open. Oh yeah, you can open it. I didn't even see that you could open it. Maybe I'll get some of it out because it doesn't really pump anymore because it's already like gone. I think it's like through here maybe. So this is another thing that I love, and I always run out because I do use this every time I do my makeup. So yeah, this is another thing. Okay, so moving on, I'm gonna move on to skincare. And one of the things I want to mention is, I don't know if a lot of you know about Mary Kay products, but my sister-in-law used to sell Mary Kay, and then she got me into selling Mary Kay, which I never really sold anything because I'm not the person that I like to sell stuff. Like, I don't like to go and say like, oh yeah, this is good, like buy it. I don't like that. I'm kind of shy, so I really don't like to sell stuff. So this is a Mary Kay eye makeup remover, and it used to say tester here because I used to use it as a tester, but then I never sold anything or did any demonstration, so I just used it on my own. I love this eye makeup remover because it's, first of all, it's oil free, and second of all, it removes your makeup completely. I mainly use this on my eyes because I feel like if I use it all over my face, even though it says it's oil free, it does contain silicone, I believe, and it does leave your face a little bit greasy. So I like to use this on my eyes. Actually, I need to get another bottle because I feel like this removes your eye makeup so fast. So I would just put it like on the cotton swabs, not the swabs, like the cotton pads. I'll just put some there and then just remove all my makeup, and it would completely remove everything. I mean everything. So yeah, I really like this product. Okay, another thing that I like by Philosophy, and it's a Purity Cleanser. I did purchase a big bottle already, but I used to always purchase these mini ones because I don't know if you guys know about Sephora. When you're about to pay, they have like little mini stuff. it really gets to me when I see those because I think they're so cute, and I tend to grab those a lot, which I know it's not bad, but I would prefer to buy the big one than a mini. So I used to buy these all the time, and I would go through them so quick because they're so small. But yeah, this is one of my favorite cleansers, and it removes all the leftover makeup that you have on your skin. So I really like this as well. Another cleanser that I really love, and I have like 3 bottles, like empty bottles of these. It's from Lush, and this is their Angels on Bare Skin cleanser. I don't have anything on it because I already cleaned it, because Lush has also like a rewards thing that you take so many and they give you like a fresh mask or something. I don't have a Lush anywhere close my house or near my area, so the closest Lush that I have is in Austin, I believe. I think they have one in Houston too. My cousin lives in Austin, so usually when she comes, I'll tell her to bring me some, just because I don't want to pay shipping on a cleanser. I don't know if I'm the only one who doesn't like to pay shipping, but if I really need it, I guess I'll pay it. But if not, I mean, I don't want to pay $6 of shipping for a $12, $13 product, you know. So I really like this because it's a real good cleanser, and it has like little pieces of lavender, and that really helps to exfoliate gently your face. If you have very sensitive skin, this is really good for you because it's not like a real harsh exfoliant. It does exfoliate, but it's not that harsh. And this is a face cleanser and body cleanser, so you can also use it around your body. It also has almond, so if you're allergic to nuts or almonds, I don't think you will be able to use this because it may give you like an allergy reaction to it. And yeah, so this is the other cleanser that I like. Another cleanser that I like, it's called the Herbalism, and it's also by Lush, and I also ran out. I cleaned it, and this is really good if you have problem skin, like if you have acne, if you have any breakouts. This is really gonna clear them. It's like a green paste. So, and you can also use this for combination skin. If you have oily and dry skin, it also helps you. So yeah, this is the other thing that I completely ran out of. The last thing from Lush that I have, it's actually a fresh face mask, and it's called Don't Look at Me. It's a blue mask, and it has like little exfoliant, I don't know if it's sea salt. It says cleansing lemon juice and scrubby ground rice will leave your skin with nothing to be shy about. And I really like this mask because it really like exfoliates your skin, and it leaves it kind of like glowy fresh. But these masks, the only thing I don't like about these is that you have to refrigerate them because they are fresh. They have fresh ingredients, and if you leave it outside, it'll go bad. So the thing that I don't like about these is that you can't order them online. You have to go to the store and actually buy them because they're fresh. They won't ship them. So yeah, this is another thing that I completely run out of. Another mask that I like is this. It's by the brand Shields. I got this on eBay, I believe. I think I got it on eBay, and it's their black mask purifying peel off mask. I know everybody has seen these around. It's just a mask that you apply to your face. It dries, and then you kind of like peel it, and it's supposed to take off all your blackheads and everything. I really don't feel like it takes off all the blackheads, but I do like it because it kind of like removes facial hair. It does hurt because if you have a little bit of facial hair and you pull off the mask, it's going to be pulling off a little bit of your hairs, and it does hurt, especially around this area. But that's why I like it, because I feel like it removes like the dead skin, like kind of like hairs and dead skin, and it leaves your skin so soft and smooth. So that's why I like this one as well. I need to purchase another one though. Okay, so moving on, I want to mention this oil. It's an argan oil, and it's by the brand Acure. I mentioned this on my skincare routine, I believe. This is by the brand Acure, the Essentials, and it's a Moroccan argan oil. I used to apply this on my face after I washed my face, but then I bought the coconut one, and it's also by the same brand, but it's a coconut one. And I used to use this on my arms. That's what I mainly used it for. I don't know if many of you find that around this area right here, you get like little bumps. They're kind of like, I don't want to say blackheads, but they're like little bumps, like you can touch them. I used to have a couple of them, like actually a lot. And the girl who does my facials actually recommended this to me, and she said that they would go away, and they did. like I would just like pump this. Oh, it still has like a couple of drops, I think. It's like squirting. I would just do like a couple of pumps, and then at night I would just massage it into here. And at first I would be like, I don't think this is gonna work, but as time passed by, I noticed that the bumps started to go away, and it does work. So I'm gonna have to buy another one. If not, the coconut one works as well. So this is another thing that I completely run out of. So now moving to hair, and I only have 2 things for hair. One of the things that I have is this Garnier Fructis 10-in-1 Rescue Leave-In Spray, and this is supposed to be a detangler, I believe. No, actually it's not a detangler, but I feel like it works as a detangler. So it's a detangler, and it's also a, it says moisture lock, so I guess it's moisture, and it says it has 10 benefits. I don't know, but I really like it because it leaves your hair real shiny, it leaves it soft, it's easier for me to brush my hair. So I completely ran out of this one, so I need to go buy another one. I know they have a couple of like scents, so yeah, this is another thing. And last but not least, you all know this brand, Ebates. This is my favorite brand of shampoo. I just feel like other brands that I've tried, they really don't absorb all the oils on your hair. I really like this scent. Let me grab the new one so I can show you on my hair how I do it. Okay, so I grabbed the new one, and I like it because you really have to shake it, and it's like, I like it because it sprays kind of like white. So I'll just like part my hair, and I'll add some right here. As you can see, it has a white residue. But what I like to do is I just leave it there for a while I'm brushing my hair, doing other things, my makeup, whatever. And then, it smells so good. It smells like tropical. And then after I leave it on for a while, you just want to massage it into your scalp. I usually like part my hair and apply some, and this also gives you volume. So if you want volume, just part your hair, apply it, massage it real good, and it's gonna give you volume. So there it is. You can't even see the white cast anymore. But I love it because I feel like this dry shampoo really absorbs your oils. So I've been using this brand for a while. I know they have several scents, and I've tried the like the pink bottle, I've tried the blue bottle, and I've tried this one. I think this one's my favorite, and I tried the one that sprays like brown. So I tried all of those, and they're all good, but I love this scent. So this is another one that I completely run out of. Well, not this one because this one's new, but this other one. So yeah, that is it for my empties video. I'm going to continue to put away or recycle my empties so I can do more videos like this. It did take me a while to put these together because of course it takes time for you to run out of a product. So I'm going to continue to save my empties so I can do more videos like this. So this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you want to try these products, I really recommend them to you. They're so good. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you guys soon. Bye.